Do you have increased redness in your skin, broken blood vessels, a breakout that looks like acne but there's no blackheads and whiteheads and it's more in the middle of your face, or even a gritty feeling in your eyes, maybe even a fullness of the nose? Those are all signs that you could have rosacea. Rosacea is not something you have as a kid, it's something you grow into as an adult, and it's triggered by things like alcohol, extremes in temperature, some spices, and of course stress, which triggers everything. One thing you can do is use a vitamin C cream rather than a serum, because a vitamin C serum can be irritating to people with rosacea, and that could be a trigger. But I do want you to get vitamin C, so look for a cream. Another product that I really like is using sunscreens that have a little bit of a tint. This is my Vitamin E Essential, which has a tint but also has vitamin E and other antioxidants, and that can help calm the skin because it's anti-inflammatory, and it's a great mineral-based sunscreen that's also preservative-free. And lastly, you need really good hydration. The Dewdrop Ultra is so good for that. A little bit goes a long way, and it really hydrates the skin so beautifully. You feel silky smooth after, and that can help with barrier repair and minimizing some of the inflammation that goes with rosacea. As a dermatologist, we sometimes have prescription medications that we use that can go a long way. We can't cure it, but we can make it as if it's not there.